So would you like to have multiple charts into Tradingview? It's actually really simple. In my case, what I do want to do once I do have my account already been created and once I am here into my own chart, what I want to do is to go into the settings section, and here as you can see I can have my chart setting, and I can go into save my template, save as, and I'm going to hit into, let's say, event number 1 and hit into save. So once I do have this template, what I can do is to duplicate that, and I'm going to hit in here, and we have the layout, so I can auto save this and I can make it a copy if I do wanted to. Now if you want to have different charts, I mean, like, this is one editor of the charts and I want to have more than that, we need to have a pro account in order to have up to 5 multiple layouts. But what we can do, if you don't want to pay for that, what we can do is to have another chart inside the actual layout. And to do that, I'm going to hit to the X mark, I'm going to hit in here, and what I want to do into my actual volume here, I'm going to go into cancel, I'm going to hit into the 3 dots, and here I'm going to add another indicator. So here I'm going to go into the moving average exponential, and here we have the basic current pound up to 3, and as you can see I already have 3 of them added in here, and I can move that and customize it as I wanted to. This is what we can do totally for free, but if you want to have more features, if you want to have another layout, you must have an account that has a pro plan or further. But I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description if you want to have a 30-day free trial mode of this great pro features without having to pay absolutely anything, just in case you wanted to try it out. So with that being said, we're reaching to the very end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.